Good morning po. Welcome sa aking maliit na channel. So we are here in the small town called Bustad. And today I'm standing by the church because I'm going inside and pray for us, forgive us, and yeah, you know. So here is the place. The church is here out in my behind. Oh, look at this beautiful angel. I love angels. So here we go, and follow us to what I'm saying, to observe or just walking around and explore little uh, things of this little village. So, how are you guys? I hope you are okay. And I hope so. So, say good morning, Habi.
Good morning.
Nawala na sa tono. So, sige, follow me. Ay,
So?
ano po, talagang snow na po. Kaya, that's why it's, dark. So, it's gonna be more snow. Gonna have more snow in this place. And that is the church I've been to. So, you can see it's not so much snow, now, because it's 1 degrees plus, 1 plus, I think today. So, I'm going to go to, ihi muna tayo. So, the good thing, there is a toilet, like this. Like this. Because if you wanna go to the toilet in the middle of your exploring, so you can also go inside in the restaurant, but I think they charge it. And if if you need to go, you have to go, because I have plenty of water in my stomach. So that's why you have to.
Water in your stomach.
Yeah.
You've been swimming in the sea.
Yeah. Oh, look at old house. The balcon is like France balcon, I think they call that. Oh, yan. This thing is I don't know what this is. And Congress House. I don't know. It's maybe hotels, I think. This place is very special. Only the money talks. Oh, it's very slippery. Look at the pathway. Very slippery. And that one, you can see yung tennis. Here they play tennis. And that is hotel, and this is the tennis player who won on that chart. Oh, you see? It's Bjorn Borg, and Mats Wilander. That is one of the famous champions 2025. It's looking. Yeah, they've been playing here in 2025 last year. 2026, July 6 and 19, ang Nordea. So we go in the tennis yard here. So this place is very popular sa dito sa Nordea. mga famous tennis player sa mga championship. So they play him. And ano po, tsaka po dun sa upstairs. So dito po ang mga nito sa playing, sa tennis nagplay. Really cool. And here is looks like sa summer, in the summer. That place is full. Because as I said, that is for it's in Swedish. Really nice place. Ayan. Ito po, mga ito, restaurant naman ito. At saka hotel. Kaya as I said, dito po, this place is only for, the nicest people. No, not nice. They have money. Money. Everybody has money, but the one who come here and have place in this village is get more than me anyway. But it's okay. As long as we are happy, isn't it? So we go. Oh, nice restaurant. You know, this restaurant is also popular because the Prince of Sweden comes here sometimes and mag-party sila. So, ito po ang ating explore sa winter. Oh, what is this? The canon. Yan, ito po. This is the story of this thing. It says in English also. During King Gustav's the Third War with Russia, 1788. So this place looks like 1788. Look like this one. And this place so I'm standing now, it's like this now. Looks like this now. Like that. You know, this one, that big thing. And of course the cannons. So this is the place. Really cool, isn't it? It's a nice story. So it's really nice here. So let's go in the water. It's look at the weather. Ganda pong mag-explore dito pagka ganitong winter. Parang snow lagi siya. Maputi. Really bright, really beautiful when it's like this winter. So we will see if we will go on that. I don't know what is that. So let's go. So we go. I think this is a winter bath. So that you can go in sauna and in the winter. So this place is like that. Really cool, isn't it? Tingnan natin kung bukas yun, pero hindi yata pwede ako doon pumasok. Meron pong sign dito. Hindi. Warning, shallow water. So you can't dive. Dahil nga mababa yun. Ay, may camera sila doon. Ito po, this is the winter bath for those who want to swim or have sauna or taking sauna. So I think I can go out because I can go inside. Oh, it's closed. Maybe it's not. Oh no, I will not because it's closed. So here is the thing. It's a shame because they said it's supposed to open in winter, but apparently not. So, meron pala tayo. Parang, ay, pwede pala. Ay, naku, ayaw ko dun. Baka tayo mamamali dun. Ano tayo, protocol. Bukas pala yun. Pero hindi mo tayo babasok dahil yung pang yun, special ata dun. Pero that is the place you can Kalbad Husit nakalagay po dun. Diyan nga po, yung cold bath. Doon po pwedeng maligo doon sa loob. And then after having a cold bath, so you can use the sauna. This is the place, the Bostad. Really cool, really nice. Mahal nga lang po ang mga tao dito, may pera sila. So, dito po sa summer, dito maganda po ito. Maganda, this place is really beautiful in summer. Especially in summer. So, meron sila dito. Mga small small coffee shop. And that is the harbor. You can see much because it's winter, but still lovely place. Oh, look at the weather. It means it's more snow today. So here is the place. Tawag po Bostad, called Bostad. What do you think, guys? It's a nice place to explore. And this is the front side of this a restaurant hotel where the Prince of Sweden have been here and party. It's really cool. So, tayo narito po sa Torre ang tawag po sa English. Hindi ko alam sa pangalan sa Torre sa English. Yung pinaka-heart ng kanilang village. Tingnan natin kung anong narito. Baka po, yan mga old sila, itong old street. So, ang ganda sa may bundukin po doon. Doon sa bundukin doon. Doon. May snow. So, mga old dito po, old. So, balik tayo. So, ito po ang maliit lang siya. Pero, very special. Dahil ang mga building nila. Diba? So, ayan. So, we are here na sa back. Ito po mga, nila, may boses doon. So, ayan. Dito na po tayo sa ating kaninang pinuntahan sa may church. Balik na tayo. Pag summer po dito, mga tao, syempre dito, mga tao, may Christmas tree pa sila. So, dito na lang tayo mag-e-end. Tingnan natin kung ano itong statue ito. Tingnan natin yung statue. Ano sabi daw ng statue ito bago tayo mag-end. The mother na may statue. So, ito po ang place na ito. So, end ko na po ito. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bulan!